good morning class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now in our yesterday's live class we had started a new chapter in EVS, that is chapter number 11, the Valley of Flowers. Okay, and while we were discussing this particular chapter, we understood the meaning of valley. We understood where is this Valley of Flowers is located. Okay, and why is this place particularly famous, right? So we got to know that the Valley of Flowers is a very famous national park, and yes, we discussed the meaning of national park in our last class as well. Along with that, we discussed lots of different flowers, okay, along with their names and their pictures, so that you would be able to associate the name of the flower along with its picture. Okay, so we discussed all of this yesterday. We also discussed one more important thing, that is Madhubani folk art, okay, which is a kind of a painting that includes lots of beautiful patterns drawn on various objects. Okay, so yes, that's there also related to Madhubani. And after that, today we are going to discuss some question answers which are given in your assignment folder, and you all are going to write down these questions in your EVS notebook. Okay, nobody will write it in their assignment folder. You will write down all the question answers which we are going to discuss in our explanatory video in your EVS notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. And after completing your work, you will click the pictures of your homework and send it into the group before 5 p.m. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Class 4, I hope you all are doing good. Now today, like I said, we are going to discuss some question and answers which are given to us in our assignment folder. So we'll look at the questions one by one. Now question number 1 says, name the place where the Valley of Flowers is located. So we have discussed this particular place in detail, and we have already discussed the location of this place. So this Valley of Flower is located in Uttarakhand, which is an Indian state. Question number 2, what is Madhubani? So Madhubani, in which I also gave you one activity to perform on same topic. So I hope it's pretty clear to you that Madhubani is a very famous old folk art which is practiced mainly in Bihar state. Okay, you can find Madhubani mainly in Bihar state. And how is Madhubani made? So Madhubani is made with a special type of paste. Okay, special type of paste, and that paste is prepared by powdering the rice and mixing some colors into it, and that paste is then used to draw Madhubani painting. Question number 3, why are the colors used in Madhubani so special? So the colors which are used in drawing Madhubani painting are very special, because the colors which are used in making Madhubani painting are indigo, turmeric, and some colors which we get from flowers and trees. That is why the colors which are used in making Madhubani paintings are quite special. Question number 4, when is Madhubani painting drawn by people in Bihar? On what occasions people draw these paintings in Bihar? So generally on during festivals and happy occasion like marriages, okay, they draw these Madhubani paintings on the walls of their houses and their courtyards. Okay. Question number 5, how useful is rose water? So we have discussed one special unique recipe of grandmother in our chapter also, in which she explained how we can mix rose water with some glycerin and few drops of lemon juice and apply it on our skin, so that our skin would not crack or get dry. So we can use rose water like this. Okay. Now, question number 6, name the different forms in which flowers are sold. So flowers are sold in various forms. I have attached some examples. For example, a bouquet, gajra, and garland. So these are some forms in which flowers are sold in our locality. Question number 7, name the occasions when you decorate your house with flowers. So there are several occasions on which we decorate our house with lots of different flowers, lots of colorful flowers. So to give you some examples, we decorate our house with flowers on festivals and marriage ceremonies. If you can think of any other occasion apart from these, you can write that as well. Now, question number 8. Name the flowers that are edible. So, we have discussed one particular topic in our chapter in which we discussed some flowers which are used in preparing food items. Okay, they are eaten by people in some particular place. So, some flowers which are edible means that can be eaten. Okay, that can be eaten. So some examples are rose, banana flower, kachanar and sahajan. Okay, so these are some flowers which are used, which can be eaten by people or which can be used in preparing some meals. Which flowers are used to make medicine? So some flowers have special property, some medicinal value which can be healthy for our body. So these flowers are rose and cedar. There are lots of other flowers also. If you can think of any other flower which has medicinal value, you can write that also. Okay, now these were some questions and answers which are given in your assignment folder, but you will write down these question and answers in your EVS notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting, and after that you will click the pictures of your homework and send it in the homework group before 5 p.m. positively. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.